Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've done another bake with me, and today we are making banana muffins. I'm pretty sure this recipe is pretty basic, so if you didn't want to use banana and maybe you wanted to use blueberries, you could. So for starters, you need to put a cup and a half of flour in a sieve, and then you just sieve it. You can just like tap it, but I prefer to just use a spoon or a knife and just do what I'm doing here. After that, you want to use a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda, and then half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Make sure all the dry ingredients are mixed. Then add a 3/4 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of oil or melted butter. I used oil. And then you want to crack an egg, and then you want to mash three large bananas. My bananas were really ripe, so I just pretty much just shredded them and threw them in the pot. You could do with this in a separate bowl, but I really hate doing dishes, so the least dishes I can get away with it, the better. Now I have moved it over to the counter and I'm using an electric mix just to mix it all together. It should be really gooey. And then I've lined a tray of 12 muffin containers. You don't have to use the containers, but I prefer to use the containers. And then you should see it's all gooey. So if your mixture doesn't look sort of like glue, you need to add some more oil possibly. And then you pop them in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. And you put them in the pan for about 25 to 30 minutes. I did it for 30 minutes and I did it on 180. And this is how they came out. I was pretty impressed with them, to be honest. Obviously, you have to try them yourself. That's the best thing about baking or cooking. The chef gets to try it first. And I was quite impressed with them, I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.